recording.
Oh, it is! I didn't know. Hi everyone, I'm SammySouw and welcome back to my channel. So, today's mission is to get a laptop. I previously owned an HP laptop, but it wasn't really mine, it was my aunt's. I need a laptop because we're trying to do this whole editing thing. So today the mission is to buy a laptop. So let's go. Here is the laptop. We lost our money today, people. This is it out of the bag, the MacBook Air with an M1 chip. Now, why did I decide to get this laptop? Mostly because my geeky technological boyfriend told me to, and I trust his advice. So here we are. This laptop also claims to be very fast, has a 20-hour long battery lifespan. It is also capable of editing 4K videos, so I felt like it would be a good investment for me in terms of editing if I ever decide to upgrade my camera, which I record on. And yeah, so what we're gonna do now is just remove the packaging and we will take it from there. What? What? This is very anticlimactic. This is really tough to open. Okay. Ugh. It's so pretty. This is the laptop! People claim that this is the most satisfying part. I mean, I was already disappointed. Really?
The screen part is.
I was gonna say I was already disappointed by the box with its fake, like, strip, but ooh, that does feel smooth.
Just check it out.
Okay. Is it gonna turn on?
No. Yes. Open, open.
Oh wow. Okay, there we have it.
That's it. Enter, just press enter.
Where's it? Okay. So I've just finished doing the express setup for the laptop and this is how it looks. We are officially in this thing. Lebu's gonna come over and he's gonna set up all the apps and things that I might need, and yeah. Now focusing on other things besides the laptop is obviously the box. It has a cable, and then I'm assuming in here is the manual. I know a bunch of people have said that inside here are stickers. Yeah, here are the stickers. Yeah, that's that. So in addition to buying the laptop, I also got a laptop bag from Typo because we all know I love me some Typo. And I had a voucher, so yeah, I got 100 Rand off, and y'all know me, I like me some discounted things. So yeah. This is the laptop bag, and when you open it up, I feel like it has a good amount of space. Here I could probably put like hard drives, cables, and then on this side I could probably put the charger into this compartment. the compartment where the laptop is actually supposed to go in, which is like the biggest one, has like this microfiber cloth fabric, so I'm assuming it doesn't scratch your laptop and stuff. And yeah, that's basically it. Other things that I plan on getting are a wireless mouse as well as a USB Type-C dongle, because some of the things that I still use have a USB Type-A, such as my hard drive. So that's kind of necessity that I still need to get. And then yeah, that's that on that. Okay, so all in all, I feel like I'm very satisfied with this purchase. Yes, it hurt me, it hurt my bank balance, but here we are. I feel like I like the feel of the laptop. It's really nice and sleek feeling. I also like the fact that I went for the space gray, because I just feel like the whole gold wasn't really gold, it was more pink than anything else. And the gold to the black keyboard just looked weird, and I didn't want to be basic with the silver, so I'm happy with that too. I've also never used Apple before. I've always used Windows, so this is gonna be a really big adjustment period for me. I guess we could do follow-up videos on this. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you liked the cluelessness of this video, then please give me a thumbs up. And be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. That's that on that.